Okay, pupils, we are on this year 2 Super Minds Workbook on page 78 until page 79. So today we're going to learn some geography and habitats. So activity 1, write the letters. So you may fill in the related alphabets. So number 1, jungle. So already given answer. And then we have this number 2, desert. So DESERT. So don't confuse with other desert. So it's double S. So this is a place, geography or habitats for some animals. So desert. And then we have number 3, mountains. So MOUNTAINS. So mountains. And then we have this, whether North Pole or South Pole. So this is polar region. And then we have this ocean. So ocean. And then we go to activity 2. Match the words with the pictures. So number 1, already given answer, sand. So number 1 is sea. And then we have number 2, coral. So coral. So number 2 is E. And then number 3, snow. So this is white snow. Maybe you're confused with the sand. So this one, B. And then we have rocks. So these are rocks. D. And then trees. So trees. A. So we have already done page 78. So let's go to page 79. So we learn about some animals and its habitats. So number 1, write the words. So number 1 is tiger. And then we have number 2. So this is parrot. So parrot always mimicking human voices. So parrot. And then we have just some parrots may be mimicking human voices. So some just don't. So number 3, we have camel in the desert. And then CAMEL. Camel. Number 4, jellyfish. So number 4, double L, fish. So we don't have spacing here. So jellyfish. And then we have goat. So GOAT. And then we have this cute little creature. So it's called penguin. So PENGUIN. Penguin. And then basically they are on southern hemisphere rather than on northern hemisphere. So polar bear they live in North Pole or northern hemisphere. So polar bear. And then we have shark. So let's go to activity 2. Think. Color the circles in activity 1. So this is just color the circles. So some may have 2 circles. So this one already given answer. This is gray in color. And then let's look at the key. So gray we apply for these polar regions. So whether it's North Pole or South Pole. And then blue for oceans. And then yellow for deserts. And red for mountains. And then green for jungle. So we prepare the color pencils. So first we go to this tiger. So this tiger live in the jungle. So we apply green for the first circle. So this is green. So green for tiger because they live in the jungle. And then we go to parrot. So maybe some of you have this parrot as your home pet. So basically, or originally, they live in the jungle. So you apply green color for this parrot. And then we go to picture number 3. So camel. So they live in desert. So it's yellow in color. So we apply this yellow. And we go to number 4. So jellyfish. So they live in the oceans. So we apply blue color. So for jellyfish. And then we go to goat. So goat, they live in the mountains. So it's red in color. And then penguins. So as you can see here, they are already given answer as gray color. So gray for polar regions. So they are on South Pole. So this is on North Pole. So I color the first circle for this picture number 7. So gray in color. And then they also live in the ocean for penguins. So for oceans is blue in color. So apply this picture number 6 for the second color. So blue for oceans. And then this one also we apply ocean because sometimes polar bear, they get their prey, the seal in the ocean. So we apply blue color for polar bear. And then finally we have shark, so which is they live in oceans. So that's it for today. So we are on this year 2 Super Minds Workbook on page 78 until page 79. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can consume the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my diagram robot that I developed for free.